Okay, recommended site to earn online with writing and select sites and pay more. High writer. Fixed fee. It's worse, they use PayPal, the tech lab, theme forest, web design and development. Who's into web designing and all here? One of you? You? No. Smashing magazine, designing and programming, make a living writing. These are the sites, and this is the specialization, and this is the mode of payment they use. Listverse is generally for anyone who can go ahead and select their area. The Tech Labs is specifically for Adobe. Theme Forest is for web design and development. Smashing Magazine for designing and programming. Make a living writing. Make money writing. This is through PayPal. Recommended sites to earn online with writing and related. Isn't it? No, I don't think. I don't know actually. Yeah. Sites and payment mode. See, from iWriter, it's a fixed fee. For Listverse, it's general, in general. These are the sites and the payment mode, and this is the area of specialization. This is specifically if your specialization is Adobe, if you know a lot about the Tech Lab. Theme Forest is for web designing and development. Smashing Magazine is for designing and programming. It's there, is it? Okay.